Well, today I have a new plant that I was not aware of, and it's called a red huckleberry. I never knew red huckleberries existed. I thought that a red berry was probably not a tasty berry until I tried this, and I was pleasantly surprised. And I realized that most people probably have no idea that red huckleberries exist because I didn't. And they're very easy to identify. I mean, yeah, definitely tastes like a huckleberry. It's just amazing to me that I had no idea these things were huckleberries. I've been trying to figure out what they were for years. Didn't really try too hard. I just wonder, what is it? What is it?
And did you ever try it?
Not until today. And it tastes like every other huckleberry I've ever had. It's pretty much delicious. And that's why plants like this probably go unnoticed. Because there's so many of them, people figure, oh, there's no way those can be edible. They're probably just poison berries.
But no.
There's a lot on this one, huh?
I know.
Wow. A lot.
You found it.
Hey, Liz. Hi. Come here, baby. Oh, good girl. Come on. Dude, just stay.